Alright, so you have your typical 12 volt compressor to inflate your tire, and sometimes you may just not want to plug it into your car. Here's the Milwaukee M12 ratchet with a 4 amp hour battery. It's great, and tells you how much power I have. So wouldn't it be cool if I can repurpose this battery, which is also 12 volts, to use on my inflator, so that I don't have to use the car power to inflate it. So I sort of made that happen. I got this little connector from Amazon. There's a link in the description below. And you just have to know which is positive and which is negative. And if you read carefully, you must, no, I forgot what it was, but I think this is positive, this is the right is positive, left is negative, when I tested it earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead, obviously red is positive and black is negative. So I'm going to plug that in right here, put that aside so you can see it, and plug this in, and turn it on. And it works. And you can always put this back and use it. So it's about a couple of bucks for one of these. It'd be good to have a permanent solution. I can make some kind of an adapter for this, so that we'll be able to connect one like this over it, and it'll always be ready to give you 12 volts. Thanks for watching.